it's Craig from CraigerCo Classic, representing Ford F100 World today. I'm out here in Carthage, Missouri at the Maple Leaf Show. Recommended to come out here for sure. I'm staying here next to, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hey, my name is Reed Robinson.
And you got a, what's behind you?
It's a 71 F100. It has a 4.6 liter out of a 2010.
Is that the 2 or 3 valve?
It's a 2 valve out of the Police Interceptor Crown Vic.
Do you like the engine? Or?
It's okay. I mean, it's definitely a reliable workhorse, but it definitely needs a little more ponies.
What do you want to do?
Well, we're going to go to a Pro-Charged Coyote this winter.
Okay. Are you excited for that, I assume?
Yeah.
You said you got a good deal.
Yeah, it's a pretty smoking deal. Came out pull out of a salvage Mustang. 6-speed auto, look forward to that, and we're going to integrate the paddle shift. So should be.
So you're taking part of the console, or are you just gonna?
They make an aftermarket company makes a standalone paddle shift for the 6R80.
That's unique. That's gonna be cool.
So we're gonna see what kind of tire smoke we can make when we get all that together. So.
Well, speaking of shifting transmissions, what transmission you got on this one?
It's just the stock transmission out of the Crown Vic. It's just
like
a
upgraded.
Yeah, it's just upgraded, nothing fancy. It's just a workhorse. It's just a shop truck now, but we're gonna give it a little more ponies underneath the hood this winter, so we can have more fun. It has the attitude. It just needs to show the attitude too.
You said you had 4-link, but did you put it on a 9 or 8.8?
It's an 8.8.
Narrower? Is that what you went for?
Yeah, it's a pre-03 Crown Vic 8.8.
Okay.
Limited slip, 355, and disc brakes slotted and grilled all the way around. Then we have a 4-link fat bar from No Limit Industries. That's pretty good.
I've heard good things about it.
Yeah, it gets traction, pretty decent for that. No flex, it's a really nice setup.
What wheels you got on this? I really like
They're Riddler 650s, and we're wrapping them with Ditto Gen 2 555s.
They look nice. Do they ride nice?
Ride super well, actually.
What you do to the front end on this thing?
Originally, a 71 had a plastic grill with some stainless. I didn't like the look of that, and it was beat up. So I actually found a nice Patina grill out for the 67 F100 at salvage yard.
My favorite year of the bum body style was the grill anyway. You know?
Yeah, that's mine too. Also.
That's cool. And it matched Patina really nice.
Yeah, it went perfect with it. I couldn't replicate it if I wanted to. So.
All right, what suspension are you running on?
Front end is just a pull-out Crown Vic from the donor vehicle was the engine transmission came out of. But it is coilovers. We have like coilovers, double adjustable front and rear.
So you have to handle a little bit.
Right, so it doesn't ride like a Crown Vic, it rides better than the Crown Vic. And handles way better than a Crown Vic.
That's awesome. So, did you do anything fancy in the interior?
The interior is a 94 up F-150 seat, completely modified, added more foam to it, and put synthetic leather with heated seats now. And it has
nice. I like it.
Filled in, took the dash pad off, filled all the holes in it, painted the dash. It does also have amenities of aftermarket AC from Resto Mod Air and tilt. And it has power steering, power brakes, power locks, remote start, keyless entry. So it's like a new truck, but it looks old.
That's really cool. Can I see the engine?
Yeah.
Zoom in on this for a second. Power tour. Have you been to one? Or
It's been on 3 power tours. Really? And it's done the long haul. So that's over
really
3,500 miles round trip.
No problem?
No issues.
Well, you know, 4.6, they may not be powerhouses, but they'll go.
No, they were in Mustangs for a long time. So.
True. Did you go, what booster, just out of curiosity?
That actually is also from the donor vehicle.
I was going to say, it looks...
Which is the 2010 Pop Car P71.
I like how you kept the top plastic and everything.
Yeah, actually trying to. The 4.6 is honestly a very ugly engine. It does not look good, no matter what you do to it.
It's like real skinny and then fat. You know?
Right, it's not very pleasing. So I found this off of Lincoln, and I kind of threw it on there just to kind of cover up the ugliness of it. And the blue hoses are actually Pursuit silicone hoses from Goodyear.
Really?
So high patrol cars actually have silicone hoses. That's why they're blue. They're never replaced hose.
Are they expensive?
I don't know. I'm not going to replace it. You never replace them, right?
So you just took them off the engine?
I just took them on.
That's
there.
cool.
It's a 100,000 mile Pop Car I bought on the auction.
That's cool. So the engine now, as far as you mentioned it, but it's pretty much stock. You haven't done anything to it?
I do tuning at my personal shop here.
Yeah. What's your company?
My ODB off-road service.
Where are you at?
Parsons, Kansas.
Okay.
We do
Parsons, Kansas guys.
Custom swaps to water pumps for your Camry. We'll do anything you need to do. So,
that's awesome.
I did do some tuning on it, so basically it just has more timing and some shift points are tighter. So
you didn't do cam?
No, we didn't open up the engine by any means.
That's probably why, you know, I mean, it doesn't load probably as like
No,
but that's probably why
it sounds
you can
decent.
run power to
Yeah,
it.
it sounds decent, and it still gets 20 miles a gallon. And if you're going 70 miles an hour.
That's cool. Do you have a Facebook page for your company?
Yeah, it's just ODB Off-Road Service.
Hey guys, go there, give him a drop on a like it, and share it if you want to. Check out his product, and buy something maybe.
Yeah, we do direct shipping, so I'll take care of you. Just let me know.
That's cool. Man, you got a great truck. I love this
Appreciate it.
Patina, and I can't wait for the Coyote swap. Man.
Yeah, Coyote Swap next year is going to be pretty fun. I'm very excited for it.
That's really awesome. Thank you for your
Yep,
time,
no
man.
problem.
I really
I appreciate it. Yeah, thank you.
See you guys.